Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find and manage display settings in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to find and manage your display settings, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just scroll down and you will get the display option. Tap on that and from here you will get this different display settings here. So let's start with setup. First of all, you just have to select your theme, which might be light or dark. So you can easily set your theme from here. And here's just some dark mode settings. You can manage some dark mode settings as a schedule. You can easily make a schedule if you want. And after that, here's the brightness. You can change screen brightness from here. Once you have that, here's the adaptive brightness. You can easily enable or disable that from here. So after that, here's the motion smoothness. You can easily change your screen refresh rate from here. Here default is standard, but I have selected high option. Which one you want to set, just select that option, then tap on apply. And after that, just go back and then here's the eye comfort shield. You can easily enable that for your phone and change its intensity if you want, but I'm going to turn it off. And here you will get the screen mode. Just tap on it and here your natural and vivid screen mode. You can easily change the white balance for your vivid screen mode, and here is some different settings, but you can easily select that. After that, just go back and here's the font size and style. You can change your font size or style from here. So here you will get screen zoom. You can change your screen zoom from here. You can see I have enlarged my screen, but I'm going to set as default. So here's the camera cutout. Just tap on it and here you will get different settings for your camera cutout. And here's the easy mode. Just tap on it and you can enable easy mode from here, but I'm going to turn it off. And here's some edge panels. You can easily enable edge panels from here if you want. There are some different edge panels. You can easily select apps and people and tools and tasks in your edge panel that I have, but I'm going to disable that. So after that, you will get the navigation bar. You can change your navigation gestures or buttons from here. And here's some more settings. And here's some accidental touch protection. You must have to enable that setting. I have already enabled it, so it will protect your screen. And here's the touch sensitivity. You can increase your touch sensitivity by enabling this setting. And there's the store charging information and screensaver. You can set a screensaver for your phone. You get a preview of your screensaver. So that are some different display settings in Samsung Galaxy A17, and that's how you can easily manage that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.